Hello, my name's Abby. I'm the brand director of Approved Automotive. Today we're going to speak to you about interiors, especially interior detailing. How clean is yours? Now at Approved Detailing, we are always working on interiors, whether that is for cars that have come for PPF and we're doing a clean just as part of the service, or we're doing car washing with a deeper wash included as well, which includes the engine bay and of course the interior as well. Many people don't realize though just how dirty their interior got. I'm going to show you now just what I mean, just to kick things off in our brief video of today. You come round. Now, one of the things we do is, of course, a deep clean of the leather and the carpets, etc. themselves, but we often put tape like this to show the clients the before and after. They can see just what's happened in the space of the time of the car being with us. So I'm going to show you just here. We are currently in a Rolls Royce Cullinan, and this car was PPF'd by myself probably 5 years ago. And you can see there, just as I'm removing, hopefully you can start to get an idea of the before and after. Now, it's maybe not as obvious on camera as it is to the side, but I think this one down here is going to be even more obvious. Let's remove this. Can you see that? So you've got before and after. So you can see just how the leather can be brought back to life with a bit of TLC, with a full deep clean of your interior, and also some conditioning as well. Because another thing that people notice before they tend to notice the dirt would be actually just how shiny their leather's got instead of dirty per se. And I'm going to show you that maybe on the center console here. So we're going to remove that. Can you see that? Maybe if you come around to the door, it's going to be a bit more obvious on this side. So I'm going to show you as well on the door here. See how it's shiny and not shiny. This is how new original leather should look, and it's been conditioned so it hasn't got, you know, build up of dirt and grease on it as well. And then I'm going to show you here, and then I'm going to show you on this back seat as well. Look at that. So you've got before and after. Before and after. So we're doing this on a regular basis, and one of the other things we're doing kind of in sync with this service as well is leather restoration. So leather restoration, sometimes you'll get, especially like on the bolster of the driver's seat mostly, small damages of paint as well. We're actually going to do it as well on this passenger. We're actually going to do it as well on this driver's seat. You can see there is a little bit of paint that's unfortunately come off there as well. Now, we've not cleaned it yet, but we can see that the paint's come off. So we're going to restore this one. And also you're going to see that recently one of the Rolls Royces, again a Rolls Royce that we have in our showroom, recently had pretty much a full restoration because the leather was white as well. And you're really going to be able to appreciate the before and after. It almost went a little bit yellowish. So how clean is your interior? Do let us know if you want to drop by Approved Detailing, where we can give you a tailored quotation. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!